Hello, I'm the painting guy and today I will be kitbashing in Ork with more shooters than... I actually wanted to make a funny joke here, but I really couldn't think of anything. So let's just all pretend that I make a funny joke. Just like the Orks pretend that their tanks work. So dumb. When kitbashing, preparation is key. Laying out and putting together your model without glue helps a lot. You probably know what I'm using. Blue tack, poster putty, or how we Germans call it, Patafix. It lets you try out all the variants without committing to any one of them. I used this Ork body I picked up at the flea market almost 2 years ago. I was always a bit unsure what I wanted to do with it until I actually started to put parts together and to try stuff out. From there on out, most of the stuff came to me without me having to think about it. And that's true most of the times. If you're unsure about what to do, just start. Something will come along. I like these wings together with a stomach plate, and this arm, it is starting to come together. I tried leg plates, but those look bad at this stage. Also, I wanted to get something for the other arm, but I decided to come back for it later. I put exhaust pipe and rockets on the back to make it look like he can fly. I like the exhaust pipes, but the rockets made him look so back heavy, I took them off again. Instead, I put these weapons on his back, facing forward to balance the look out. Before we proceed, do you know why Orks almost all the time have more weapons than they can use? I think it's a massive dick replacement because they replicate over mushrooms, and because of it... Well, continue on. If you have any interesting Ork theories, why they do this or that, or funny stories, leave them down in the comments. I'm really looking forward to hearing them. I thought again of using the leg armor. I tried if expanding the legs might help. That didn't look good, so I decided to use short leg armor instead. At last I decided on what will be the other arm. I tried multiple rockets on the other arm and liked the look of it, so I went on with it. With the planning done, it was time to put it together. I used super glue and epoxy sculpt, just that the epoxy sculpt was so weirdly yellowish colored. It's supposed to be grey, like neutral, desaturated grey. I don't know what happened there. After all, it worked fine, so just forget about it. Because I had done all the planning before, it was really easy and straightforward to do this step. I just put everything together and it looked good without me having to do much more. Later I drilled out some holes and sculpted the missing parts of this rocket. For this I used my self-built smoothing tool and some white spirit to smooth it out. And with that done, it was finished. And I know, you wanna see it in a grand reveal. Check out my channel. Oh no. Oh no. We'll keep it in there.